Welcome to this essential guide on wallet security and protecting your private keys. In the world of cryptocurrency, security isn't just important, it's absolutely critical. Your private keys are the gateway to your digital assets, and understanding how to protect them can mean the difference between safely holding your cryptocurrency and losing everything. Throughout this video, we'll explore the best practices, common threats, and proven strategies to keep your digital wealth secure. Let's start with the fundamentals. A private key is a secret cryptographic code that serves two crucial purposes. It proves you own your cryptocurrency, and it authorizes any transactions you make. Think of it like a master password, but far more powerful and irreversible. Here's what makes private keys so critical. Anyone who possesses your private key has complete and total control over your funds. They can transfer everything out of your wallet without your permission. Even more sobering is this fact. If you lose your private key, your cryptocurrency is gone forever. There's no customer service to call, no password reset option, and no way to recover those funds. This is why understanding private key security is absolutely fundamental to cryptocurrency ownership. Before we discuss protection strategies, you need to understand what you're protecting against. The cryptocurrency space faces four major categories of threats. First, phishing attacks. These are sophisticated scams using fake websites and fraudulent emails designed to trick you into revealing your credentials. Second, malware and keyloggers. These are malicious software programs that secretly record everything you type, including your private keys and passwords. Third, SIM swapping. This is where attackers hijack your phone number to bypass two-factor authentication and gain access to your accounts. And fourth, weak passwords. Simple or reused passwords make it easy for hackers to compromise your wallet security. Each of these threats is real, prevalent, and has cost people millions of dollars. But the good news is they're all preventable with the right knowledge and practices. Now let's talk about one of the most secure options available: hardware wallets. These are physical devices specifically designed to store your private keys offline, providing the highest level of security for your cryptocurrency. Hardware wallets offer three critical security advantages. First, they're completely immune to online attacks and malware because your private keys never touch the internet. Second, they require physical confirmation for every transaction, meaning even if someone hacks your computer, they can't move your funds without physically accessing your device. And third, your keys never leave the device itself. All cryptographic operations happen inside the hardware wallet, keeping your private keys isolated and protected. Popular options include Ledger and Trezor, and for anyone holding significant cryptocurrency, a hardware wallet is considered essential. When you create a cryptocurrency wallet, you'll receive what's called a seed phrase, also known as a recovery phrase or mnemonic phrase. This is a sequence of 12 to 24 randomly generated words that can restore your entire wallet if you ever lose access to it. The seed phrase you see here is just an example showing the format. Your actual seed phrase is unique to your wallet and must be kept absolutely secret. Here's the golden rule: never, ever store your seed phrase digitally. Don't save it in a note on your phone, don't email it to yourself, don't store it in cloud storage, and absolutely never take a screenshot of it. Digital storage exposes your seed phrase to hackers, malware, and data breaches. Your seed phrase should only exist in physical form, written down and stored securely, which brings us to our next topic. Let's discuss the recommended methods for storing your seed phrase securely. The first and most accessible option is paper backup. Write your seed phrase on durable paper using permanent ink and store it in a fireproof safe or bank vault. This protects against both theft and disasters like house fires. For even greater protection, consider metal backup. You can engrave or stamp your seed phrase onto stainless steel plates, which are virtually indestructible, surviving fire, water damage, and extreme conditions. Another advanced strategy is split storage. Divide your seed phrase across multiple secure locations. This way, even if one location is compromised, your wallet remains safe because an attacker would need access to all locations. Finally, safe deposit boxes at banks provide an excellent secure storage option with restricted access and professional-grade security. The key is using physical, durable storage in secure locations that only you can access. For those seeking advanced security, especially for business accounts or large holdings, multi-signature wallets provide an additional layer of protection. A multi-signature wallet, or multisig for short, requires multiple private keys to authorize a single transaction. Let's look at a common example, a 2 of 3 multisig setup. In this configuration, 3 different private keys exist, but only 2 are needed to approve any transaction. This means even if one key is compromised or lost, your funds remain secure. Multi-signature wallets are particularly valuable in 3 scenarios: business accounts where multiple executives need to approve transactions, shared wallets where partners want joint control with built-in checks and balances, and estate planning where you want to ensure your heirs can access your cryptocurrency even if one key is lost. It's like requiring 2 different keys to open a safe, providing security through redundancy. Now let's cover the essential daily practices that will keep your cryptocurrency secure. First, use separate wallets for different purposes. Keep the majority of your holdings in cold storage, which means offline wallets, and only keep small amounts you need for regular transactions in hot wallets connected to the internet. Second, always verify website URLs before entering any credentials. Phishing sites often use URLs that look almost identical to legitimate sites, differing by just one character. Third, enable all available security features on your wallets and exchanges. 2-factor authentication, biometric locks, and PIN codes all add layers of protection. Fourth, and this cannot be stressed enough, never share your private keys or seed phrases with anyone for any reason. No legitimate service will ever ask for this information. And fifth, test your wallet recovery process with small amounts first. Make sure you can actually restore your wallet from your backup before you need to do it in an emergency. Just as important as knowing what to do is understanding what to avoid. Let's go through the critical mistakes that have cost people their cryptocurrency. Never store your seed phrases in email, cloud storage services, or as screenshots on your devices. These digital storage methods are vulnerable to hacking and data breaches. Never share private keys through messaging apps or social media, even in private messages. These platforms can be compromised, and messages can be intercepted. Avoid using SMS-based 2-factor authentication whenever possible. SMS is vulnerable to SIM swapping attacks where hackers can hijack your phone number. Never click on links in unsolicited emails or messages, even if they appear to come from legitimate cryptocurrency services. These are often phishing attempts. And finally, never access your cryptocurrency wallets on public computers, shared devices, or public Wi-Fi networks. These environments are often monitored or compromised, putting your credentials at risk. Following these prohibitions is just as important as following best practices. Let's wrap up with the most important points to remember. First, hardware wallets offer the strongest protection available for your cryptocurrency. If you're serious about security, investing in a quality hardware wallet is essential. Second, always back up your seed phrases on physical media like paper or metal, stored in secure locations. Your backup strategy could be the difference between a minor inconvenience and total loss. Third, use multiple layers of security. Don't rely on just one protection method. Combine hardware wallets with strong passwords, 2-factor authentication, and secure backups. And fourth, stay informed about emerging threats. The cryptocurrency security landscape constantly evolves, and staying educated helps you stay protected. Remember this fundamental principle: your private keys equal your cryptocurrency ownership. There's no bank to reverse transactions, no insurance to cover losses, and no customer service to help if you lose your keys. You are your own bank, which means security is entirely your responsibility. Take it seriously, follow these best practices, and your cryptocurrency will remain safe.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.